Right now it's only 37 in Indianapolis, 38 in Lafayette, and we actually saw some snow flurries throughout the day today. And the high today was only 43, and that actually occurred early this morning at about midnight, and the temperatures have only been dropping throughout the day. The normal for this time of year is 57, and hopefully we will see those temperatures soon. In Florida, it's going to be nice and mostly sunny with temperatures in the 80s. Mexico, same idea, mostly sunny with temperatures in the 70s. Now if you're going a little bit cooler and go do some skiing out in Colorado, it should be partly cloudy with temperatures in the 40s. So looks like a great spring break no matter where you're heading. Wind chills of this magnitude can cause frostbite in just 10 minutes, but Purdue chose not to cancel classes, and most students did not agree with this. But taking a look at Viper, we see that system that we saw yesterday has moved far east, and the snow flurries and scattered showers that central Indiana saw throughout the day on Sunday has cleared out, and it's now just some overcast skies, and even that will be changing. Overnight tonight, a high pressure system will start to build into the Midwest and clearing out those clouds and starting a nice clear day throughout our day on Monday. Some of your friends or family are coming into town for Purdue Spring Fest. It will be this weekend on Saturday and Sunday all over campus from 10 to 4. And Saturday should be a perfect day for Spring Fest with mostly sunny skies and highs at about 70. However, on Sunday, those showers will move in and dropping the high to about 63. So if you can make it out to Spring Fest, I'd recommend Saturday.
We saw those temperatures in the middle 70s late last week, and it's going to be chilly this weekend. When can we get back to the 70s?
Unfortunately, it looks like the 70s are gone. That was way above normal for this time of year, and in fact, we're close to breaking the record every single day this week. And it looks like we're going to be going to those fall temperatures, and hopefully we can keep off those below freezing temperatures for a while, though.
Okay, thanks, Sam.
High will be about 58, much closer to what we should expect for this time of year. 60 in Bloomington and Columbus, 55 in Lafayette, and 57 over in Richmond, so it'll be a much more pleasant day tomorrow. Taking a look at our 7-day, we see those rain chances on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with quite a bit of a warm-up with a high of 70 on Saturday, a little bit of a cool down associated with that cold front as it moves through on Sunday, and temperatures will continue to drop later in the week, going back down to about average temperatures by Thursday, with a chance of some rain on Tuesday and Wednesday. The high for this time of year is normally about 41, and last year we were at 36, a little bit below normal, but this year we've been actually quite a bit below normal, with highs only in the 20s and lows in the teens overnight, and we will continue to see that for a couple of more days. And these warm temperatures are going to be bringing about another no zone action day for central Indiana. Some things you can do to help tomorrow will be to pump gas and mow your lawn after 6 p.m., carpool or ride the bus, and turn your car's engine off when possible. Local traveling for your beginning of your spring break and not going very far. In Indianapolis, it'll be in the mid-50s with a chance of some showers, especially through the day on Sunday. In Chicago, a little bit cooler in the lower 50s, and no rain chances for this weekend. Evansville, a chance for some rain also on Sunday, with temperatures in the upper 50s through the weekend. Sub-zero temperatures are always a possibility in Indiana during the winter, so dress warmly and take precautions to stay safe. And try your best to make it to class. For the Fast Track Weather Team, I'm Samantha Wilde. Taking a look at Saturday, we see that for the most part it's going to be a nice day in central Indiana with a high pressure system dominating our area, keeping us dry and clear, but it's still going to be below normal in temperature, so make sure you bring a jacket, especially if you're heading out to the football game on Saturday. Here in West Lafayette, the Purdue Boilermakers are for their last home game versus, of course, the infamous Indiana Hoosiers. The game time is at noon on Saturday, a temperature of high of 30 at kickoff, so it's going to be cool, but it should be nice and dry. Here's a more local view of that system. We see that the storm chances will be building in later in the day on Tuesday, and for Tuesday evening we should expect some scattered storms. But for tonight, just a gradual clearing of the skies, but cold and blustery still with a low of 29. Tomorrow we'll see that warm up with a high of 58 and plenty of sunshine. Good evening, I'm Samantha Wilde, and here's your weather forecast for this evening. It's currently 25 degrees out right now, but it feels a lot colder outside with a 12-degree wind chill thanks to some strong 16-mile-per-hour winds that we're feeling. So if you're heading outside tonight, I suggest you dress quite warmly. We only got up to a high of 32 today, which is about what we would expect for this time of year with a normal high of 34. Taking a look at Viper, we see that there are currently still some lingering snow showers in central Indiana, especially up to the north, and this is what we're going to expect to see for the rest of the night. Looking at the timing of these snow showers, we see that they will be clearing out the area overnight tonight, with especially a chance of lingering flurries up north thanks to the lake effect, but by Thursday that should all clear out. Taking a look at tonight, though, it is going to be a chilly one. 20 in Indianapolis, 17 in Lafayette and Muncie, a little bit warmer with 23 down Seymour, but for the most part you really should bundle up tonight. Tomorrow it's going to be a cold one again, 30 in Indianapolis, 28 in Lafayette, and 34 a little bit warmer down in Seymour. The reason for these cool temperatures is we have a low pressure system that has pushed the jet stream to the south, bringing that colder air in from the north. And we see that, however, going into the day on Friday, the jet stream will be moving further north, bringing some warmer temperatures to the area. However, this won't last as we see another low pressure system out west that will build in, pushing that jet stream to the south again, bringing back some cooler temperatures for later in the weekend. But for Friday, we should enjoy a slightly warmer day with a high of 40 in Indianapolis, 44 in Springfield, and 52 in St. Louis. So this is quite above average for them this time of year. On Friday, we see there's a chance for some snow in the northern part of the state as a warm front moves into the area. But for the most part, central Indiana should be nice and dry on Friday. For tonight, though, there's a chance for some flurries, mostly cloudy, breezy, and colder with a low of 20. Tomorrow, a high of 30 and some lingering flurries in the morning, but breezy and cold, and some clearing later in the day. For the 5-day forecast, we see that the next chance of precipitation returns on Saturday with a mixed weather, some flurries and some rain with a high of 35, 33 on Sunday, but no precipitation, and 31 on Monday. Good evening, everybody. Let's go ahead and start off by taking a look at our weather highlight. It looks like there are no more flurries in the forecast for now, despite what most of central Indiana saw throughout the afternoon on Sunday. But it looks like despite the warmer temperatures, we do have quite a bit of rain chances and a wet week ahead of us. Let's start by taking a look at our almanac. We saw the day that the high of 55, a low overnight of 30. We are back to right around to where we would expect for this time of year with a normal high of 57. So we're starting to see those spring-like temperatures for now. Taking a look at Tuesday, we see there's going to be a low pressure system developing out to the west that'll push into Illinois early in the day on Tuesday and will later move into our area later in the afternoon and early evening. So overnight Tuesday, we could see some scattered showers and possibly a pop-up thunderstorm or two in the area. However, by Wednesday, the system will have pushed further east and a high pressure system will move in, bringing us a nice partly cloudy Wednesday. For tonight, we'll stay nice and dry with partly cloudy skies, increasing to more cloudy skies overnight with a low of 42. By Wednesday, though, we will see those storms moving in mostly after 2 p.m. with a high of 61. Taking a look at our 7-day, we see those storm chances on Tuesday and a drop in temperature because of the cold front. And the next storm chances will be Thursday night. And however, Friday will be nice and mild, but we see some rain return on Saturday night with a chance for some scattered storms and some rainy showers on Sunday and also on Monday with a high of 62.